how to set one of the SMS messages app as your default, and this is for the Samsung A53 5G phone, Android 12 One UI 4.0. So let me just close this out quickly and show you. So out of the box, your default messaging app would be this one here. But you also get the Samsung Messages app, and this is for the Samsung A53 phone. And even when you find this here, you want to be able to make sure that your messages will now be coming to this app and not this one here. So for it to work, what you're going to do is use the quick panel access, go to settings. And while here, what you can do is use the search bar and type in the words default SMS. So just type in default. And as you start to type it, you'll see where it says choose default apps, which is exactly what we need to do. You can type in SMS if you want to. It will still suggest this for you. So once you're there, you'll go here, choose default apps. It will flash for you. And you'll select that one time. And this is where you can choose which apps are your default apps. Okay, so you want to go to the SMS app here and make sure you select this one here. So this one is your Samsung, this one is the one for Samsung, okay, your Samsung messages. So if you prefer that one, then you want to choose that one. If not, you want the Google one, you can go with that one if you want to, but that's where you would go to set them as default. So like, sub, thanks for watching.